Welcome to this video lecture on the power supply unit, or PSU, in a computer. The PSU is one of the most essential components responsible for converting electrical energy into a usable form for all internal components. The power supply unit converts the alternating current, or AC, from your wall outlet into direct current, DC, used by computer components. It also distributes power at different voltage levels, such as 3.3V, 5V, and 12V. There are various PSU form factors. The most common for desktops is the ATX PSU. Smaller cases may use SFX or TFX designs. The form factor affects size, power capacity, and connector layout. PSUs come with different wattage ratings, like 450 watts or 750 watts. It's important to choose one that matches your system's power needs. Higher efficiency PSUs, like those rated 80 plus gold, convert more energy and waste less heat. Inside the PSU, you'll find components like a transformer, capacitors, heat sinks, and a cooling fan. These work together to stabilize voltage, reduce ripple, and prevent overheating. A PSU has various connectors. The 24-pin ATX connector powers the motherboard, 8-pin or 4+4 pin for the CPU, PCIe connectors for graphics cards, SATA and Molex for drives and peripherals. Modular PSUs let you attach only the cables you need, reducing clutter. Non-modular PSUs have all the cables built in. Semi-modular designs are a hybrid of both. A good PSU includes built-in safety protections like overvoltage protection, or OVP, undervoltage protection, or UVP, over-tower protection, or OPP, and short-circuit protection, or SCP. When choosing a PSU, consider your total system power draw, future upgrade plans, GPU requirements, and efficiency rating. A quality PSU can extend your PC's lifespan. In summary, the PSU powers and protects your computer. Choosing a reliable and efficient PSU is key to building a stable system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech lessons.